excited that you decided to take a few minutes to learn a little more about how to make your digital course more visually appealing and engaging, especially because I'm going to make it super easy for you. In the last module, I promised you that I had made a special surprise resource for you. Here are some templates that I made for you that you can use to create your course's main page or module pages. These will help increase the fancy factor without hardly any additional effort on your part. They are really easy to use, and I included them right in this module. So let's head over to my computer one more time, and I'm going to show you how to access and use those templates. Let's go. To access your templates, you're going to go to your course in Module 5, and then you can click on the Templates button. Whether or not you are a Google user, you will have access to these slides because I've shared the folder, and in the link I provided will take you to the folder. Now yours will look different. This is my actual Google Drive that you're seeing. Mine looks a little different, but when you open yours up, it will have all of the same contents. I've created 6 different sets for you, and I'm not going to go through all of them right now individually because you can go through and explore them on your own, but I did try to provide different themes and templates that match so that your course looks more cohesive and so that your main page will be matching your different module pages as well. So I'm just going to click quickly into the vintage templates, and you can see here that each one has the same sort of look and feel. And that's so that you can mix and match your main page with your different module pages if you want to. So again, you can come through and just explore the different styles of template sets that I've created for you, and you can make your decisions based around your course and the audience that you're creating your course for. A lot of these template sets are made for adult learners, but I did create a kids in classroom template set for you that you could use if you are a classroom teacher making a digital course for your students. So let's get into that one. Okay, so there are several different templates that you can be choosing from to make a digital course for students. There are some that are more elementary level and some that can be utilized for older students as well. So let's pretend we're putting together a digital course for our students. Say I want to choose this template for my homepage because it kind of looks like I'm putting an assignment up on my smartboard for my kids. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File and Download, and I'm going to download it as a JPEG image. Now I like to put mine just right on my desktop because it's easy for me to find it there. You can put your images wherever you want them to go. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Google Slides where I would normally build a digital course. When I use templates, I like to start with a template because you do have to put your text over the top and work around the picture on the template. This is why I fixed the formatting of the slides from that widescreen and put it down to the standard view here, because we're about to put a picture in the background, and when it's in that long widescreen view, it does distort the picture. Now again, I've already gone through my templates and I've chosen this specific one to be my main page, and I already downloaded it and saved it as a JPEG image. So now that I have my new digital course file started, I can insert this template onto my main page as a background image. To do that, I'm going to go to Background and I'm going to select Choose Image, and I'm going to browse my computer. So I'm going to look for that specific picture that I just downloaded from the templates, and I'm going to open and hit done. This picture is in the background of the main page slide, and it can't be moved because it's saved in the background rather than as an image on top. So this makes it much easier when you're building your course to be able to add text and to move the text around without your background moving around on you. I usually build my courses beginning with the modules and then I add my main page. This time we're just building it this way to make it easier for me just to kind of show you how to access and upload your templates. So now if this was going to be my main page, now I do exactly what I would do if this was a blank slide. You're going to follow our checklist by adding a title, adding directions, and your module buttons. And you just do that right over the top of the image. So you want to make it look like you've written on the smartboard. So you're just going to put your text box right over the smartboard. And maybe this course is going to be on character traits. You can add another box here and make this the directions, and you would give the directions, and then of course you can start building your module buttons right here, just like we did before, only this time it's on top of a fun little picture. And then you can add your back to homepage button down here and make it smaller. You can center your buttons if you prefer, however you want your homepage to look, but right now it's on this really cool little template and it makes it look just a little bit more fun.
Okay, so now we can add a module page. I'm gonna go shopping through my templates again, and I wanna kind of try to find something maybe that matches the first template that I picked for my homepage. I do like this template. I feel like it kind of goes along with the bright yellow and it's nice and bright. So I'm gonna snag this template to be module 1. And so I'm going to go back to File, and I'm gonna download it again as a JPEG image and move it to my desktop. And I'm back to my course now. And now I'm going to add my template I've chosen for module 1 by going to background, choosing the image off my desktop, and there it is. And now at this point, I would add the title and the directions and the buttons. And I wanna do that because remember, even though our backgrounds might end up being different when we use the templates, I still want to create the entire module 1 slide so that I don't have to reformat everything. I may have to move some of my text or buttons around a little bit, but it's better than starting over from scratch every time. I would definitely finish this up by adding all the buttons and everything that I need before I go and copy and then paste. Now I can come back and go template shopping again, and I kind of like this one. It's got the same bright colors, so I'm gonna choose this for module 2. I'm gonna go to File, Download as a JPEG image, and I'm gonna come back to my course, and this is my copied slide from the first module that's going to become module 2. So I can replace this picture just the same way by going to background, and I'm just going to choose image, browse, and when I select my new image, it will just automatically replace what's on that slide. And this is module 2. So it's really that easy. Once you have your templates picked out and you've determined which ones you want to use for your course, it's as simple as going to File, downloading as a JPEG to wherever you can easily find it, and then going to the background of either course homepage or module, choosing the image and uploading it as the background. And then you're just going to add your text and your buttons and everything you need right over the top.
You can see these templates make it super easy to spiff up your course. I just want to say thank you so much for spending your time with me, learning and creating your own digital course. I hope you found this helpful and that you can use your new learning right away in your current role as an educator. If you liked this workshop, please be sure to check out some of my other virtual workshops at teachingwithoutabook.org. Thank you again, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.